Peter, can you help me please?
Yeah, definitely.
So poor, right? As a beginner practitioner, everyone went through like this, as I show in the video, as we see in the video. Two things will happen here because of external pressure. One, because of external pressure, it may harm your spine, or it may tear your muscle tissue in your hamstring. Then how to do it in the safest way? Before this, we must know the purpose of the postures. For that, we need to look at the name of this, what name says. See, the name says Paschimottanasana. Paschima, Uttana, Asana. Paschima means west, Uttana means intense stretch or lengthen, and Asana means, as you know, is a pose. West, it means, see, our body also have four directions, which is the front portion of our body, which is the east part, and the back portion, which is the spine or the back, hip and hamstring and the calf muscle, it is the west part, and the north and south. So the posture says you must stretch, or intense stretch should happen the west part of your body, which is the back, hamstring and calf. So that is the purpose of this posture, doing Paschimottanasana. That is the purpose. How to do it? It means how to give intense stretch in your hamstring and calf, and how to lengthen your spine without harming your skeletal system. It matters. To know how to practice, let's get in the video. Come on. Let me lengthen the spine first. If you're having any kind of pillows, you can take it under the knee. It will be more comfortable and safe for your back. And feet together, your ankles together, pull your toes inside and place your palm on the pillow. Now here, suck your abdomen inside with a deep inhalation. Lift your chest up, sternum upward more as much as possible. You can see and you can feel that your spine get lengthening. If it's possible, if you can reach the toes by your hands, you can catch your toes. Knee should bend it. Now from here again, one more time, with a deep inhalation, bring your sternum up. Focus on your sternum, which is the chest part, and try to lift it up. Bring both the shoulder down. Sternum should be upward and the shoulder should be down. Your abdomen should touch your thighs and be there. So after you lengthen your spine, then move on. If you're looking for more stretch in your hamstring, you can remove the pillow, gently come back. You can remove the pillow. You can wear the socks, or you can take any kind of movable or can split kind of cloth under the heels. Do the same. Feet together, bring your toes inside, bend the knee. If you can reach, you can catch your toes. If it's not possible, you can place your palm beside your calf muscle. It is completely fine, no issues. If you can reach, you can catch your toes, but make sure your spine is straight and your abdomen is completely touching your hamstring or thighs. Your abdomen should completely touch to your thighs. Now again, suck your abdomen inside, lengthen your spine first, bring your sternum upward. You can reach, if you can possible, you can reach to catch the toes. Now bend the elbow gently. Now from here, gently try to move your heels a little bit forward. Be there. When you move your heels a little bit by bit forward, make sure that your abdomen is touching your thighs. If it start making gap or space between your abdomen and thighs, your spine will be curved and it is harmful for your spine. Make sure that your abdomen and thighs touch together. There is no necessity to completely straight your leg. Our intention is here just lengthen and stretch your hamstring only. Just be there is completely fine. When you start feeling stretch in your hamstring and calf, just be there, relax your neck and breathe. The more slow and deep breath you breathe, gently stay there for few breaths, gentle deep breath. Give a time to your muscle, your hamstring muscles to stretch, to lengthen. Very good. And then gently, in the same way, slowly come back, straight your hands, lift your chin up, then completely relax. Keep your palm beside your hip and bend both the knees. Bend both the knees completely and hug your knees. Bend both the knees completely. Then again, hug your knee. Just relax your hamstring completely. Relax. So this is the way you can practice and you can lengthen, stretch your hamstring in the safest way.